we do have weekend plans. My husband was voluntold that he was going to be the children's soccer coach for our little soccer league that we signed our 4-year-old up for. So we now go to soccer every Saturday so that he can coach a bunch of 4 and 5-year-olds on a soccer field. And let me tell you, it is quality content for sure to watch him have to chase around these screaming toddlers. But so far we've gotten pretty lucky because I feel like the horror stories that come from like children's sporting events are rarely the kids. It's usually the parents. I feel like you usually hear like the horror stories are like the parents that are like losing their mind over it because they think their kid is, you know, some professional athlete and they're not. But thankfully we have had all good parents. Everybody's been great. I started a soccer mom because I'm the coach's wife, so I'm obviously fulfilling my duties. And I started a soccer mom chat, and I knew it was going to be a good chat because one of the moms replied after like all the moms were doing the super appropriate, "Hi, nice to meet you." One of the moms replied and was like, "Thank God I'm finally in a soccer mom chat where everybody has an iPhone. I'm sick of those green bubbles." And I was like, okay, I like her. So she gets it. She's an iPhone user and no Androids here.